The ways we optimize and save on parcel shipping are clearly visible. At Visible, we participate in the shipping and processing of over 150 million packages every year. Domestically, we are one of 3 authorized USPS resellers, and we pass along those high-volume shipping rates to all of our clients. And we ship to 220 countries and territories, leveraging DHL bulk rates. We offer a proprietary cross-border commerce model that increases conversions and cuts out the complexity when transacting globally. With tailored quotes and analytics to meet each client's unique business requirements, we help open the door to a world of opportunities, literally. More than just helping customers save, we help them ship the best way possible for their specific business models and goals. These range from required speed of delivery to levels of customer experience and, yes, also cost. And we complete the one-stop solution picture with the help of partners who include industry staples like Stamps.com, Indicia, and Pitney Bowes. Whatever your size, our buying power, combined with our expertise and proprietary technology, will empower you to effectively compete with the biggest e-commerce brand names out there. We offer optimized reduced transit days all over the country, thanks to our 8 strategically positioned warehouses. While our parcel strategies and multi-carrier options mean big savings, we've also reimagined the status quo to invent other new and unique ways to save our customers money on their shipping, like dimensional discounts, where clients benefit from optimizing package sizes to reduce shipping costs. Plus, our automated label printing saves both time and money.